If you managed to steal a square-wheeled tricycle from the museum and tried to ride it home, you'd be disappointed, says one of the reviews. The fact is that you can ride this tricycle more or less comfortably only on a specially prepared track. Engineers not only created the tricycle, but also had to find the optimal shape of the curve to get such a wavy route. These are called catenaries. If you fix a rope at 2 points, then under the force of gravity, it will take exactly this shape. The result is not only fun, but also educational. These unusual bikes are even in some museums. For example, the first National Museum of Mathematics opened in New York in 2012, and there, everyone can ride a tricycle with square wheels. If you're bored with wheel experiments, how about a new take on the pedals? The creators of the LFN bike suggests not spinning them, but pushing them up and down, a process that reminds us of some exercise machines. So, you have to ride standing up, and if you get tired and want to sit down, the 350-watt front wheel motor will help you for 20 miles. It's possible to reach up to 20 miles per hour on this bike. And there's a special mechanism for switching between 7 gears invented and patented by its creators. By the way, the stroke of the pedals is 20 inches vertically, and the bike weighs 55 pounds. The authors tried to put their brainchild on Kickstarter, but had to pause the campaign, probably because of the prices. They wanted $1,500 for a bike. This bicycle was also promoted via Kickstarter, and also unsuccessfully. Its manufacturers wanted more than $300,000, but raised only $4,000. But this model is even more interesting than the vertical pedal bike. The designers abandoned the chain in favor of levers. As they write on the project page, there have always been problems with chains. They don't last long and easily stain your clothes. So, why not connect the pedals to the rear wheel via levers? The team believes that this option is more efficient than conventional crank arms and allows for more power. And because it uses the popular carbon fiber, the bike is light, weighing about 18 pounds. Plus, the frame is optimized for standard components from different manufacturers, so you can modify the bike to suit your needs. That said, the team had plans to sell the frame plus drive system kit, for which they wanted $3,600. What could have gone wrong, right? Wheeled water tractor, sea bike, sea tractor. All of these are nicknames of this engineering marvel. According to its designers, it'll come in handy for beach holidays, excursions, and sport activities. 2 adults and a child can take a ride on this bike, and the design won't scare the birds or the fish. Riding on this bike is even easier than on a regular bike. Even beginners will have no problem moving into the water and getting back on land. For extra comfort, there's an umbrella holder to protect you against the sun, and if it's too windy, parts of the air in the wheels can be replaced by water. However, fans of high speeds won't be happy, because its limit is only 5.6 miles per hour. But children will be delighted, and these bikes are also suitable for water parks.